Hi guys, I'm Ahmed, and today I'm here with question number 28. It's again from brucellosis, rather it's second question from the series of brucellosis. And let's read the question first, then we will discuss the options. Question number 28. Read it with a smile. A 34 years old patient presented with high grade fever for few days. Reading and smiling together is a little bit difficult for me, but in exam definitely you are not reading it loudly, so try to read the question with a smile in exam. Okay, he has joint pains and extreme fatigue. After investigations you found that he is having brucellosis. Which of the following profession of patient can be associated with this disease? Farmer, engineering industry, shipyard worker, and shoe factory. Let's discuss one by one from the bottom. Okay, shoe factory. Shoe factory is a wide field, and there is no specific one disease associated with. There are different vibration injuries, you can say chemical injuries, skin related issues, but you cannot pinpoint one disease that is associated with shoe factory. Okay, shipyard worker. Shipyard worker are exposed to what? Yes, very good. Thumbs up from me. They are exposed to asbestos. Okay, and asbestos can lead to mesothelioma. So, uh, uh, when you read shipyard worker in any question, your differential diagnosis must include asbestos exposure. We will discuss it in detail in some question where we will come across the question with having the stem about shipyard worker or asbestos. Right now you should only remember shipyard worker, asbestos exposure. Okay, engineering industry. Engineering industry is again a very diverse field, so don't get confused with it. I don't know, you can label a single disease with it. If you must have to, then it can be musculoskeletal diseases. Okay, musculoskeletal injuries rather. Other than that, there are different dozens of diseases associated with every industry of engineering, so it's not a significant option to consider here. Okay, farmer. Farmer is a correct option for brucellosis. I will discuss a little point here. I know a few colleagues of mine, they were confused about this term. If you are thinking about classical English, farmer is a farmer is a person who is agricultural, who is associated with raising field crops, but it's a little bit wide term. It is associated, rather you can say a farmer is a person or people who do combination of work other than raising fields. They do livestock, vineyards, even orchards. Okay, so they are exposed to animals. If you are not clear already, you should be clear from now onward. Okay, farmer, they are exposed to animals. Okay, so whenever you read a stem, a question where there is word farmer written and fever, brucellosis should be one of your top DDs, differential diagnosis. Okay, so this was about all about today's question. If you have any query about this, definitely tell me in comment sections or everywhere. You can have access to me, and do subscribe the channel if you have not done it yet. See you soon with another question. Bye.